Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. My name is Josh, and today I get to check out the brand new OM5 from OM System. The OM5 is the latest Micro Four Thirds camera from OM System, specifically designed for travel creators. This compact and lightweight camera combines everything that you love about OM System while adding some incredibly useful features. The entire camera, without a lens, weighs only 366 grams and is almost a third smaller than its competitors. It's one of the most compact systems, especially when paired with some of OM's lighter glass, such as the 20mm f1.4, the 8-25 f4, and their 12-45 f4. Adding to the overall versatility, the OM5 is freeze-proof and features IP53 weather sealing, which is the best in its class. You also get the addition of their supersonic wave filter, which vibrates 30,000 times a second while the sensor is in use to ensure that there is no dust on your sensor while you are shooting. When it comes to photographers specifically, the OM5 really does pack a punch, allowing for improved resolution, frames per second, and handheld shooting capability. Using OM's high-res mode, users will be able to create images up to 50 megapixels while handheld shooting and up to 80 megapixels on a tripod, allowing for some incredibly high detail. OM's Pro Capture software will allow up to 14 frames per second shooting, making this camera a viable option for shooting action and wildlife as well. You also have the ability to shoot live composite in camera with up to 4 stops of internal live ND, eliminating the need to pack a cumbersome tripod or your entire ND filter kit. The OM5's Micro Four Thirds sensor allows for 6.5 stops of internal stabilization and up to 7.5 stops with Sync IS lenses, making handheld shooting even easier on the user. When it comes to videographers, the OM5 really delivers as well. Users will be able to shoot up to 4K 60p with no recording time limit and the ability to shoot in OM log for easy color grading. As a bonus, the OM5 can also shoot vertical video, which automatically switch your framing and can be used as a webcam to add a little bit of quality to your on-the-go meetings. Overall, the OM5 really is the perfect companion to any travel photographers or videographers out there. Its compact size, small footprint, and versatile feature set will make this an incredible camera to take with you on all of your adventures. Thank you so much for checking out this Hunt's First Look video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. Once again, my name is Josh, and if you have any other questions about the OM5 specifically or anything else camera related, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, DM us on one of our socials, or simply stop by one of our 8 stores located around New England.